Now that we're storing our MATLAB code in files, it's important that we learn about the concept of a comment. A comment is just a human readable string that we put into our code to remind ourselves or other people how our code is working. Where comments are typically skipped over by the MATLAB interpreter. So it's something that's there not necessarily for the program, but for people who are looking at the program trying to understand how it works. So a comment in MATLAB starts with the percent sign. So you can see all of these lines of code here start with a percent sign. These are comments. And so comments will turn green to let us know that they're comments, that they're not going to be executed by the interpreter. A comment will always start with the percent sign and go to the end of the line. So I can have a comment that takes up a whole line, or I can have a comment that only takes up part of a line. So I would have the expression on the first part of the line. This expression here will still get executed by the MATLAB interpreter, but anything after the percent sign will be treated like a comment and will be ignored. A comment that's up at the top of a function right after the function header is a special kind of comment. This comment will show up when we type help and the name of our function. So if I type help calc pi area, what I get back is that comment that I typed up here. So this is a special comment. The comments that show up other places in your code won't show up in the help. So this way you can provide useful documentation for anyone who might want to use your function or go back and look at your code and add on to it or use it in another program.